flying home today. I have to go to the airport in like 2.5 hours, so I have to do a bunch of things. I don't know, I thought I'd have more time, but then I was editing this morning and I was like, oh my god, the time. So I have to pack, I have to wash my hair, change, like kind of like close down my room. Oh my gosh, why do I always do these things last minute? Like, what happened to me? I didn't used to be like this. So I have to go eat breakfast now. I also have to go through all the food I have left and like free stuff, or you know, so it doesn't go bad because I'm gonna be gone for a month. So eat breakfast, wash my hair, and pack. And then I still have to go to the store to buy one more thing that my mom wanted. Let's do it. Well, okay, let's get to packing. I mean, I'm not packing a lot of stuff, to be honest. I'm just mostly taking like Christmas gifts that I bought here. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be assignment. No. Yeah. I forgot that something's inside. Oh, and stuff that my mom also left when she was visiting. I'm gonna make space on the bed. No. Sorry. This is the stuff my mom left here. And then all of my gifts that I bought. What's that one? Oh, I know. The thing I'm most worried about is the weight, actually, because yes, I'm bringing like big luggage, which usually I don't. Usually I just go with a carry-on, but I had a discount with ESN with the card, which means that I have a big 20-kilo luggage for free. It has to be checked in. Like, only this gift weighs like 2 kilos, and then I have a lot of food that's gonna be heavy. I'm also bringing home books because the Twilight Saga I've already finished, and then the 50 Shades of Grey I'm just bringing home because I'm not gonna read it right now and I need to make space here. I also have to go get shoes that my mom left here. I'm gonna do a quick outfit change so that I'm ready for the flight. I think this is how I'm gonna go. I might change into the white sweater just because it's a bit warmer and, like, you know, covers all the areas because it might be cold on the plane and it's gonna be freezing in my home country, especially since I'm gonna be arriving at like 9:30 p.m. and I don't even have like a winter jacket here, so I'm gonna wear my warm vest, but that's it. Oh, oh my gosh, I should tell my sisters to bring me a warm jacket to the airport because we're driving from the airport to my dad's girlfriend's house because that's where we're going to be celebrating the Christmas with my dad there tomorrow, and then the next day we're going to drive to my mom's house. I'm going to the store now to pick up shrimp that my mom ordered. I hope they have it because last time they didn't. And I'm worried about the weight of my luggage because the things I put in are really heavy, actually. Like, initially I was like, I don't want to carry like a big luggage. Like I said, I usually travel with just a carry-on, but since I had the free 20-kilo luggage, I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, okay, I'll take it. But I was like, it's gonna be like half empty, whatever. Now it's almost full. I didn't even put in the food yet. And like I said, like, it's books, it's a mug collection for my sister for Christmas, it's shoes, it's food, so like all really heavy stuff. Yes, I think this is it. The goods are secure. Thing is, my mom said she only needs like one bigger box because last time she bought a smaller one and now they had the bigger one, but I bought two anyways because I know my dad will love this. So I really wanted to buy it. So I really hope I'll be able to fit everything into my luggage. And I have like 1-ish hour until we have to leave for the airport with my friend and my roommate. We're on the same flight. I'm gonna get home now, try to pack everything up, clean my room, or like tidy up my room, and then off we go. These are all the goods I'm bringing home. It's so much stuff. Let's weigh it before the food. Before the food, it has 17 kilos. It's gonna be so overweight. It's like 25 kilos. Change of plans. I think I'm gonna take out the big backpack and put as much as food as possible into there. I didn't want to do that. I did it. I have to close the window. Now it's ready.
The luggage?
Bye.
What? We don't bring this down.
Really?
Of course.
Oh my god, thank you.
No, I'm fine.
It's not there.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a long journey, guys. You guys get everything ready.
No, it's fine. Aw, thank you.
Next time.
Yeah.
Aw.
And keep it clean.
Come on now. What
Yeah, I
can we
was
do
gonna
in one
clean the
day,
dishes
right?
now.
What you can do in one
Who's
day.
gonna exactly?
And no parties.
No party.
Okay, wait for me. Bye.
Bye.
Aw. Oh my god, there's such a big line. We arrived at the airport. I checked my bagging. It went through as 20.5 kilos, but they let me like put it there. It was fine. And then we got a notification that the flight is 2 hours delayed. But the thing is, I have like access to the airport lounge, so we can hang out there, eat, drink. The only thing is that we're supposed to drive from the airport, like with my dad and my sister to, like I said, my dad's girlfriend's place, which is like an hour and a half of drive. So we're gonna arrive really late, because I think now I'm supposed to be in Prague at like 11:15, 11:30. So, but I'm excited to eat and drink and just relax. Teď už tam seš. Well, the flight is delayed another 45 minutes. If I didn't have access to the airport lounge, I would be seriously like angry, because like 3 hours is a lot, but like this we can do it.
Vamos a Praga.
We made it to the plane finally after
It's so fucking hot.
because of me.
It's even hotter than me.
God, this was so long. Delay, waiting like 35 minutes for the luggage. Thank God. It's done. La 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 la. Jaký uši?